Hello everyone, this is Saurabh and today I am showing you my next question which may come in CKA exam. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and keep updated with my latest and upcoming video based on Kubernetes and CKA exams. So let's see next question. So that is the question number 4. Question is that verify the cert manager application which has been deployed in the cluster. Create a list of all cert manager custom resource definitions CRDs. So CRDs that was installed for the cert manager and save it to this file. Make sure kubectl default output format and use kubectl to list CRDs. So you don't have to uh, give any output format for this part. Do not send an output format. Failure to do so will result in the reduce. If you change the output format, you may lose your marks. Now, second part is that using kubectl extract the documentation for the subject specification field of the certificate custom resource and save it to this field. In this second part, you can format your output. So this is a very simple question, and you don't have to waste too much time on this question in examination. Even though you don't require Kubernetes documents for this question. So let's check. First, check the cert manager application is installed or not in your cluster, which is already given in exam, already in your examination cluster, that is already installed. But for lab, I have installed to show you how to do this question. So first check the so if you see all the ports, you can see that cert manager is installed. If more specific, this is a namespace cert manager. So this thing is already in exam, already installed. In my lab, to present in video, I have installed it. Now, the first part is that question. First part of the question is that create a list of. So you have verified that cert manager application is deployed on the cluster. Now, come to the next part. Create a list of cert manager custom resource definition and save it to this file. You just copy. In exam, you can copy the path, and here you run the command kubectl get CRDs. Now, if you run this, you will get all the CRDs installed in your cluster. You have to get cert manager. Now, you can now redirect to path, that is resources.yaml. So no such file or directory, you have to create it. Sorry, I have not write this. Now that now you can see that this output is stored in this file. Now you have completed your first part. The second part is using kubectl extract the documentation of the subject specification field of the certificate custom resource and save it to the. You may use any output format. You may use any output format, like you may do it YAML or you may do it JSON, any format you want to do. So you have to extract the values subject specification field. Now come to this kubectl explain certificate dot spec dot subject. This will be the outcome. Can give the format. No. If you want, otherwise you can. This is not mandatory, so you can just UCTL explain certificate dot spec dot subject and redirect store in the file subject.yml. Now you can see the subject.yml. So this is for that's it for this question. This is very simple question. You don't have to waste too much time because there may be some tricky question where you have to keep some more time. So just do it as fast as you can. Now subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed earlier, and keep updated yourself with my latest and upcoming video that is based on cloud technologies and Kubernetes. Thank you guys.